Hello everyone, this is ThePandaPhotographer from 6x6studios.com. Welcome to the channel, and please do subscribe, like, share, and leave your thoughts down in the comments below. Now, I want to talk about a company that reached out to me to send me a PayPal donation to actually buy their camera strap. And I'm going to be honest on this channel, as I always am and always try to be, that I don't want to hide anything from you guys as my following and as my friends. So I do want to stress this company called BX Designed reached out to me and wanted me to give them or write a review on Amazon about their product. I thought it was kind of cheesy. Then it started harassing me when they sent the money without me knowing about it. I ended up purchasing it, and this is the box design, and I really feel that the box design is just not very good presentation. I just think it's mediocre. But then again, like, it's an elegant camera strap, but it's not telling me on the side says BBX. But I'm going to tell you about these photos right now, that these photos have been used many times. I've seen this happen before with many friends and other photographers, and Tony and Chelsea Northup when they actually had to sue another small company using their photos on their products, and that's not really a good presentation whatsoever. Okay, BX Design, this is the photo. I also seen this photo online somewhere. I can't remember, but I'm looking it up. But it's actually, I think it's a city somewhere in Asia. But I just think it's just mediocre. But in the box, it comes with the camera strap, which is decent, and the material is made out. This piece here is like a cheap leather piece here, and the clamp-on piece here actually is right here. So this is what it clamps onto to your camera or to your device, and how this works is pretty much like that. And to me, I have my own opinions about this locking system. I just don't find it reliable, and I just don't really think it's going to last long, because it just seems a little bit cheap and flimsy. But the material is okay. It says BX on it as they stitched it on. As you can see, they stitched it on. It says BX. But this is the camera strap, all right? And it also comes with the hand strap. If you want to hold it handheld, you have options to do that as well. So yeah, and also in the box, and put this to the side, came this thank you card. And on the back, this is probably the only really cool, nice thing that I got in the box along with the camera strap. It seems nice and carved and nice presentation. This was nice, better than the box itself. So but I do want to compare camera straps. This is my camera strap, my brand. This is my own prototype. As you can see, this is either for a 2 camera setup or for 1 camera setup. You can see I'm using these little spring hook locks, and this is 100% real leather, by the way. You can see real leather. This is my daily camera strap, just to compare what it looks like in the hand. Nice, right? And here is a Focus camera strap that I had since 2014. It has its share of usage and turmoil, and it's been through some hell. But yeah, this is how this one works, with a hook system as well, and it comes with the quarter thread loop hook you can hook it up into. But yeah, these are my camera straps, and you can see the material on this one is really still thick and it lasts a long time. So, and I like that comfort, and that comfort is important to me, especially if I'm holding 2 cameras or 1 camera that is really heavy with a big telephoto lens. So, and my occlusion, I would say that this BX camera strap is okay. It's not great, but I wouldn't use it for heavy cameras. So light cameras only, so it just doesn't feel premium. But with that said, this is the BX Design camera strap. So I digress. With that said, eat, sleep, photography, repeat everyone. Please do subscribe and like and share. And don't forget to leave a comment if you guys want to support this channel. Please do. It really helps me out. But with that said, you guys take care. Happy shooting.